What, Mommy?
She didn't ruin my cooking show.
Okay. Okay, yalla. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo.
1, 2, 3. Peekaboo!
Now you have to raise your voice. They can't hear you.
Peekaboo! Don't tell me again. Hello, I'm Umut. This is my cooking show. Welcome to the Tech and Snore Kitchen. We're gonna make hot carrot cupcake. This is my cooking show.
Yes, like that. Good job. Say.
You will be in the toilet.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I'll make hot carrot cupcake. Using a juicer pulp. What to do with carrots after juicing? A carrot cupcake. Why you're laughing at me? Why you're laughing at me?
I'm not laughing at you. Oh yes, I was laughing at you because you were funny.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too.
We need 2 eggs. We're gonna crack them. I don't know how to crack them.
You don't know how to crack the eggs?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm gonna teach you, okay? Okay, crack the egg. And then very, very hard.
2,000 years later.
I didn't.
Uh-oh. What happened? Okay, thank you.
1 cup of sugar. 1 packet of vanilla powder. Can I open it?
Yes, you can open it. Can you do it by yourself? Now we're gonna whisk them with a whisk.
Mommy, I went with Daddy in the park and he went this height, Mommy.
Wow!
Whisk.
Half a
A
cup.
cup of vegetable oil. A cup of milk. A pinch of salt. Whisk. Wipe off my hands. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. It makes us sick, say.
What do you have to do right now? What do you have to do right now? Whisk it. Come on.
It's getting brown.
It's getting brown.
Yeah, it's changing color. Next is 2 cups of flour. Baking powder.
Come on, put it.
Two cups of carrot pulp. Mix. It's thick. And that's it. We're gonna pour it here.
You do it. Come on, hurry. Split it by little. Don't mess up your place.
We have the vanilla outfit. 180 degree chili oven for half an hour. I can't. It's heavy.
One eternity later.
That's our cupcake is done. We're gonna taste it with the toothpick. Is it clean?
Open it in half.
Oh, some dessert inside. You broke my.
Did you like it? Is it delicious?
Yeah. It's so delicious.
So this quantity made us 12 small cupcakes and this big one.
We're gonna frost it with whipped cream. I have to do it like this. I will take the baby one and you take the very bigger one. This makes small carrots. I love you.
I love it. Oh.
I will eat one. Our cupcake is done.
Eventually,
I will eat one.
Take one.
Are the cupcakes get cold?
Yeah, they're cold right now. Go, go, go.
I have to want little bit. Happy cooking. See you later. Bye-bye. I have to watch cartoon now.
You have to watch cartoon?